Have you ever wondered why Japan has such a fascinating variety of KitKat flavors? From matcha to wasabi and even sake, these flavors seem endless. Well, it turns out it's deeply rooted in Japan's culture of gift-giving. In Japan, presenting gifts, especially food items, is a cherished tradition. Enter the omiyage tradition, souvenirs brought back from travels, often regional specialties. KitKats capitalized on this by creating flavors unique to different parts of Japan. But it doesn't stop there. Japanese consumers love seasonal and limited edition products. Nestlé Japan cleverly taps into this by releasing special KitKat flavors tied to seasons, holidays, and festivals. And how about those wild flavors like wasabi and soy sauce? It's all thanks to innovative marketing and creative collaborations with local chefs and businesses. Plus, KitKats are more than just snacks. They're often seen as good luck charms, especially during exams thanks to the resemblance of KitKat to the Japanese phrase kitokatsu, meaning surely win. So whether you're exploring the streets of Tokyo or the countryside of Hokkaido, you'll find KitKats in flavors that celebrate Japan's rich culinary heritage and cultural traditions. Next time you're in Japan, don't forget to indulge in a unique KitKat experience. Which flavor would you try first? Let us know in the comments below!